Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
There are 6 symptoms of presentation of presence of the soul. Growth is one of the important. So growth. As soon as the soul is out of this body, no more growth. If the child comes dead, there is no growth. The parents will say it is useless, throw it. So similarly, Lord Krishna gave the first example to Arjuna that don't think that the spiritual spark which is within the body, due to whose presence the body is growing, from childhood to boyhood, boyhood to youthhood, from youthhood to old age. So, when this body becomes useless, imperceptibly, the soul gives up this body, Vashamsi jinnani tathavyaya, just like we give up old dress and take another new dress. Similarly, we accept another body. And we accept that another body not according my selection. That selection depends on the law of nature. That selection depends on the law of nature. You cannot say at the time of death, but you can think of. You can say that I'm to see individuality, and that selection is all there. Jang jang baapi smaran leke, smaran loki, tajastante kalebhayam. Just at the time of your death, your mentality, your thoughts will develop. You will get the next part according to that body. So the intelligent man who is not crazy, he should understand that I am not this body. First thing, I am not this body. Then he will understand that what is his duty. As spirit soul, what is his duty? His duty is, that is stated in this Bhagavad Gita, in the last verse of the 9th chapter. The duty is manmana bhava. You are thinking something. Every one of us embodied, we think something. Without thinking, for a moment you cannot stay. That is not possible. This is the duty. You think of Krishna. You think of Krishna. You have to think something. So what is the harm if you think of Krishna? Krishna has got so many activities, so many literature, and so many things. Krishna comes here, we have got volumes and volumes of books. If you want to think of Krishna, we can supply you so many literature that you cannot finish with your whole life. If you 24 hours read, so thinking of Krishna, then is sufficient. Think of Krishna. Manmana bhava. I can think of you. Just like a person who is serving some boss, he's always thinking of that boss. I have to attend that at 9 o'clock. That boss will be displeased. He's thinking for some purpose. That sort of thinking will not do. Then therefore he says, Bhavamad Bhakta. You just think of me with love. When the master, when the servant thinks of the master, there is no love. He is thinking for pound shilling pence. Because if I do not attend my office just at 9 o'clock, there will be late and I can lose $2. Therefore he is thinking of, not of the master, he is thinking of that pound shilling pence. So that sort of thinking will not save you. Therefore he says, Bhavamad Bhakta. You just become my devotee. Then the thinking of me will be nice. And what is that? Bhakti. Mad bhakta, devotion means service. Madhyaji, you render some service to the Lord. Just we are engaged here. Always, whenever you come, you will find us engaged in some duties. We have manufactured some duties. Just to think of Krishna only.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.